I am adding another small shelf to my seed starting station. This one is the same style, but smaller than the one that I already have. I'm gonna add some extra lights that I also have. The lights are different sizes. The small one is a 12 inches and the tall and the wider one is 24 inches. So they are perfect for each of the shelves. They are also very easy to install. You just need to follow the instructions and they work very well. I have been using the 12 inches for this is gonna be the second season, and it worked beautifully. Now I have the wider one, and so far it has been very good. This is how the lights get connected. And then the other side goes connected to the next light, and so on. I'm gonna turn off the light because I don't think you are able to see me, or better yet, let me put a deflector. I think I'm missing a leg from one of them, but I'm gonna put something to help me stabilize it. For now, until I find it. I think I know what it is, but anyways, what I'm doing right here, this needs to be fixed. I'm probably gonna have to pass the extension towards the back, in the middle, and then work from there. But for now, for the purpose of the video and timing, this is when I'm gonna put everything that needs light, no heat mat. In here, this doesn't have a heat mat, but these three do have heat mat, even though this one is not on. This one is, and this one is. So I am gonna, since I'm gonna start more seeds, I might move this one up, or I might just plug that one in to start the other seeds soon. But that's the reason why I needed more space. I have extra lights that I might add to the bottom shelf over here. Those are different ones. Those are the very first one that I purchased in Amazon, and they were very cheap at the time, but they work for me. And this is how they look. I used to use them in this for the size. So now I might just put, because I have two, one here and one here, and that's it. Down there I could put things that doesn't need light to germinate, but this is my seedling station for now. I also think I'm gonna add these three up here because I'm gonna show you the floor lamp that I have that is supposed to help. It's like an indoor grow light, I guess, or like it's supposed to actually help the plants as well. And oh, I found the leg. This is amazing. I'm gonna put it on. I don't know if you can see. This is the leg that this is missing right here. I'm gonna put it up now. Put it on now. But this is how my station is looking at the moment.